So guys, for the first step, once you're on Steam, in the top left, you want to click on Steam. Now you want to click on check for Steam client updates. If Steam has an update it needs to do, it will tell you. Make sure that Steam is fully up to date. For the next step, in the top left, you want to click on Steam again. And now you want to click on settings. Now once we're here, you want to go to the downloads tab. Now once you're in the Steam download settings, you want to scroll down and then click on clear cache. Just so you know, this will log you out of Steam. So you want to click on confirm. It's then going to log you out of Steam. Once you've logged out of Steam, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once we're here, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh winsock reset and then click on enter again. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, come back into Windows, log back into Steam, and then the problem should be fixed.